Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick way how you can disable comments on WordPress. If you see in this post, we do have comments. I want to completely disable it on every post. So there's a quick way we can do that. So first you head over to your dashboard and we're going to be doing it using a plugin. So plugin, add new, and we'll be installing a plugin called Code Snippets. This is the plugin that we'll be using. Click install now and activate. Now head over to the snippets and add new. So I'm going to give a title for this as disable comments. So in this place there's a PHP code that we'll need to place. So I'll be giving you this code in the description. You can just copy paste this code right here and then make sure this is set to run snippet everywhere and click save changes and activate. Now if you head over to the post page and refresh, the comments will be disabled. Now the comment section will also be disabled for all the future posts that you make. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.